Hi guys!
Hello.
Walay klase si Fiona guys, so mag-interview me guys. How old are you?
I'm 5 years old.
Yeah, she's 5 years old and she's turning 6.
Yes.
Your birthday is on August
24.
24.
August 24.
Yeah, Monday, right?
Yes.
Yes, so okay, let's introduce her. What is your name?
Fiona Colleen S. Lastimosa.
How old are you again?
I'm 5 years old.
Do you know where do you live?
Live
Yeah, where do you live?
Dorian.
Dorian. Are you in school?
Ngayon?
Ngayon, no, because it's holiday. Pero nagapasok na ikaw sa school.
Apa.
Opo. What is your grade?
Grade 1.
Grade 1. Fiona is 5 years old and she is grade 1. What is the name of your teacher?
Teacher Loche.
Teacher
Loche.
Luchi. Is teacher Luchi strict or no?
No?
No. She's nice.
Yes.
How many are you in class?
Class
Yeah, how many? Do you know?
26.
Are you sure or you're just making up the numbers?
No.
You're sure?
Yes.
How about you? What's your fake name?
Jolene.
Colleen! That's not your fake name. That's your second name. It's not fake name. It's nickname. How does your classmate call you?
I'm Jolene. My
No,
teacher
it's not Cholin. It's Colleen. You should tell your teacher, teacher, that's not Cholin. That's Colleen. What is your name again?
Fiona Colleen S. Lastimosa.
Oh, that's your real name. Your nickname in school is
Jolene.
Colleen. It's Colleen. It's not Chulin. It spells Chollyn, but it's pronounced as Colleen. You tell them, okay?
Yes.
Teacher Luchi, it's silent H.
H.
Yeah, it's not Chulin. It's Colleen.
Colleen.
They call you Chulin in school.
Yes.
Oh, nga na wala man yung magipa-correct na so diri di ba yung tawag na mo sa imo is Fiona Colleen man ka?
Oh. Tapos silang tawag sa ako kay Jolene.
O tapos wala di ka nag-ingon na teacher sa bahay. Colleen man akong name.
Tapos sabi ko sa kanya, Colleen yung name ko.
O tapos ano
Ayaw
sabi ni
niya makinig.
bakit daw?
Hindi ko alam.
You tell her politely, pronounce your name again one last time so that they will know how to call you. What is your name?
Fiona Colleen S. Lastimosa.
Okay. Okay, guys, for the information of everybody, it's Colleen. Her name is Fiona Colleen S. Lastimosa. And she is 5 years old and in grade 1.
Malkata.
Pang-ilan ka sa inyong magkakapatid?
Third.
Oh, very good. You're good at numbers. No?
Apa.
Sino ang first?
Ate Princess.
Second?
Sophia S. Lastimosa.
Third?
Me. Fiona.
Fourth?
Marvin Jun the second.
Si Ate Princess, nagkadayawan naman siya. Si Sophia, mag-moderate man siya. Ikaw, mag-quiz bee ka na lang. Gusto ka mag-quiz bee?
Sabi daw yung mama ko na magkadayawan daw kami.
Magkadayaw. Bakit man? Mag-dance ka din? Marunong ka pala mag-dance.
Practice kami doon.
Ayaw mo mag-quiz bee?
Ano yung quiz bee?
Mag-answer ng mathematics at question. Tapos bigyan ka nila ng medal pag ikaw ang nanalo. Para maiba. Kaya si Ate Princess magkadayawan, mag-dance-dance siya sa kadayawan. Tapos si Sophia mag-moderate din. Tapos ikaw, para maiba, mag-quiz bee ka na lang. Para, dahil mataba naman ang utak mo, mag-quiz bee ka na lang. No, mataba ang utak ni Fiona Colleen.
Pag-ugma kasi si Pia magmamajorate siya po.
Oh, opo. Oh. Tapos, ikaw, anong gawin mo? Mag-study ka na lang.
Apa.
Oh, kay mag-quiz bee ikaw, no? Oh, sige, ikaw ang mag-represent ng Don Enrique Bustamante Elementary School. Oh, mag-champion ikaw ng Math Quiz Bee. Math ang gusto mo? Ayaw mo ng English at science?
Science?
Yeah.
Ayaw.
Bakit?
Kasi hindi ako marunong.
Hindi ka marunong?
Opo.
Marunong ka man. Hindi ka lang nag-aaral. Kay laro ka ng laro. Tingnan mo, may bicycle sa labas.
Hindi. Lagi lang akong 10/10.
Hala, mayabang ka sa 10/10, girl. Mayabang ka, girl.
5/5. At saka 8/8.
Wow! So, palagi kang perfect?
Perfect.
Opo.
And 6/6.
Atik-atik ka.
Hindi.
Oh.
Ipatingin ko kay mami.
Gipatingin mo kay mami?
Opo.
Totoo?
Hindi. Wala
Pag
ako.
nakita ni Teacher Lucci itong video tapos nagsisinungaling ka, patay ka.
Hindi. Meron talaga.
Meron talaga. So, 10/10 ikaw, 5/5,
Pero
8/8.
Pero yung 8/8 and 6/6 ko, hindi ko gipa-video kay Papa.
Bakit?
Kasi marami akong notebook.
Marami kang notebook.
Opo.
Sige na, mag-goodbye ka na sa kanila.
Bye-bye.
Bye guys. See you next time.
See you next time.